Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off save login information on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile icon like this. Now click these three lines, click settings and privacy. Now click security, and here as you see you will find save login information. Just click like this and click remove, and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off save login information easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.